In order to set up any GNSS or satellite settings within the XCN 2050 and Precision IQ app, navigate towards the right-hand side towards the top. Here you should see a satellite icon. Select this icon, and then you should have an option for GNSS setup. Click on GNSS setup. From here you should have several different settings to go through. First, the antenna type. This could be anything from the AG25 antenna to one of the specialized Zephyr models. Choose one of these. The next option is correction source. This could be anything from WAS to centerpoint RTK. Lastly, select your position quality. This could be somewhere in between, lean more towards accuracy, or favor availability. Once done with these settings, click the Next button. Lastly, select the port that you're connected to. Once you're finished, click the Save button towards the right-hand corner towards the bottom.